Hello there, we're going to do an unboxing today of my custom paint by number that I got through Pretty Neat Creative. So I picked out a picture of Target Field, one of my favorite places to go. So in the box is everything that you'll need. So your custom canvas is all rolled up. So inside my canvas, and also a guide, which will be very handy to have, especially some of these are a little small, but this is the 12 by 16 size, and as you can tell from behind me, I am a big baseball and sports fan, but this was a beautiful picture I took of Target Field, so I'm very excited to go through and paint this. And it comes with all of your necessary paints and colors that you need. Let's see what else is in here. I like this little holder, so I'll keep everything all in place. And then it comes with 3 different size brushes. So there are a lot of really small, intricate details. So these smaller brushes will be good for that. This teeny tiny brush. It's kind of tough to see. Yeah, 3 different sizes. And then all the necessary colors that I'm going to need. So I'm super excited to dig into this, and I can't wait to show you the finished project.